Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan brown gravy. First, let's build the foundation, the roux. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter or heat your oil over medium heat. Once shimmering, gradually whisk in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture transforms into a beautiful golden brown paste. This step is crucial for both thickening and developing a deep, nutty flavor. Start by gathering your core ingredients for a delicious vegan brown gravy. You'll need about 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil or vegan butter. Don't forget your aromatics like a small onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, to build a robust flavor foundation. These simple components are the secret to a rich and savory gravy. Now, let's infuse our gravy with incredible depth. After your roux is ready, add your finely minced small onion and 2 cloves of garlic to the pan, sautéing them for about 3 minutes until fragrant and softened. Then, slowly pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, whisking continuously to ensure a perfectly smooth consistency without any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and watch as it begins to thicken beautifully, taking on that classic gravy texture. For the grand finale, it's all about seasoning and those final touches. Season your gravy generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. A pinch of dried thyme or sage can elevate the flavor even further. For an extra layer of umami, consider adding a dash, perhaps 1 teaspoon, of soy sauce or balsamic vinegar. Taste and adjust as needed, ensuring your vegan brown gravy is perfectly balanced and ready to complement any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.